I keep saying the wrong words.
It's recording.
Oh shit. Okay.
Ooh. Hey y'all, this is Lucy.
And I'm Brenda.
And for today's video, we're letting y'all in our Friday night talks. So grab some tea and let's get started.
Okay, so today we wanted to talk to y'all because we've discussed this several times in the past few days is negative people.
Yes. So
Y'all suck. Because you just burped. But yeah, negative people.
yeah, negative people, they're everywhere, right? I mean, we tend to be negative too. I mean, see, I mean so much.
She doesn't like
Okay, so yes, there are negative people everywhere. I tend to be negative sometimes. I try not to be.
but
I really try to stay positive at all times. We tend to focus on the negativity when we should be focusing on the positive, right?
yeah. Yeah, I mean, I know it's probably not easy to, when something bad happens to you, to think of like something good, but I think that after a certain point you have to think, okay, yes, this is bad, but there's also 100 million great things happening, and that's what you should focus on.
So yeah, I mean, it's not easy, I know.
And it's probably easier said than done, but
if you put it into practice, it gets easier. With anything, if you practice, it gets better with time, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like that's one of the things that everyone should try to be more positive about certain things. I mean, do something that makes you genuinely happy. I mean, what's one thing that makes you happy that you like to do? Doing your makeup. If that really makes you so happy, then do it. That's gonna, bring up your mood, right?
Yeah, or like, I don't know, maybe watching a funny show. Like, I love to watch The Office because that's the funniest show I've ever seen. And it's gonna make you laugh, and then you're gonna feel good, and you're not gonna be like just sitting there thinking about all the bad things that happened to you, because if you do that, then you're just gonna be in a bad mood, you're gonna put people in a bad mood, it's just not gonna be good.
What you like to do will get those negative thoughts, like, they'll go away. You're so focused on something that you truly enjoy that you won't even think about
Right.
the bad stuff. I know for me, I really like to organize. That's probably weird. I don't know. But I really
knew her like 6 years ago.
Okay, that's old news. That's a long time ago when
that wasn't the case.
a youngin'. But now, as an adult,
I would have never thought that you would say that you like to organize. That's the first time I think you've said that.
Yeah, I really like
I've
organizing. My closet, I have these little
Bins?
They're not bins. They're organizers. They have slots like for your socks and your underwear and things like that. So yeah, and I really enjoy putting everything into those little slots and organizing everything. I like having my closet color coded, but that's just something that I really like doing.
I wish I was like that, because I
enjoy it, and I mean, sometimes it's just like time goes by, like I don't even notice that so much time has gone by because I'm so focused in trying to, make this look good and pretty. I mean, I don't always have the time to do that, unfortunately, because, with work and life and all that, it's kind of hectic. But I will say that that's one of the things I like doing, enjoy it, and I mean, it makes time go so fast I don't even notice. And I don't think about anything else. You just put music on and do what you like to do.
And that's another thing. I feel like music, like, really helps. Like, I'm sure everyone has their favorite album, their favorite song, their favorite artist. Like, if you just, when you're driving, listening to music genuinely, like, gets you in a better mood. Like, I think I read something a long time ago that says that, like, rap music makes you, like, more, like...
It does.
empowered, because it's, like, it's like a...
When people are sad, they tend to listen to sad music. Well, I do the complete opposite. I don't listen to sad music when I'm sad. I listen to rap. Because I don't know why, it just kind of gets me going. Like, oh yeah, I got this.
Yeah,
instead of listening to really sad music, I actually had one of my coworkers ask me, "What's your favorite sad music?" And I was like, I don't have one. Like, I seriously listen to rap just because it gets me going. I'm like, oh yeah, like, I'm not sad. Like, I'm gonna, do this, do that, or whatever. But yeah, I mean, definitely helps. That's one of the ways that helps me get over negativity and sadness. I try to really surround myself with positivity and have positive thoughts about everything that I do. If, let's say for example, I had an interview, instead of thinking, oh, what if I didn't get it? What if, this and that? What if this happens? Like I've said before, I've told her, I don't live in the future. I don't know. So
that's true. And that's hard, because I deal with that too. I like, assume a lot of things.
Exactly. So, I mean...
And you shouldn't do that.
Yeah, I mean, instead of saying, oh, what if I don't get it? What if this? What if that? Why are you saying that? You should be saying, oh, I'm gonna get it. Oh, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get that. Because you attract everything that you say. And
that's so weird.
I can say that
definitely
it's true. Because it's worked for me. And it's worked for me for so many things. And that's why I always tell people to say it. Say something.
You can speak it into existence.
Yeah, like, I'm gonna get this job, I'm gonna get into this school, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. It's going to happen. Rather than saying, oh, what if this doesn't happen? Oh, what if blah, 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 blah. No. That's not gonna work out.
Yeah.
You need to have a positive outlook, because everything you say, you attract.
And, like, I hate the words, like, fake reality, because, yes, you also don't want to, like, live in, like, this world where, like, you don't realize things. But I also think that if you focus on thinking, like, not necessarily a fake reality, but, like, being positive and not focusing on, like, all the bad things that can happen and are happening, I think that you can live a pretty positive life.
Yeah, I mean, point of this whole conversation is to try to be positive, try to find something that brings happiness into your life, rather than being sad all the time. Yeah, try to have a fun activity that you truly enjoy, or a funny show that you truly love. And that will make you feel better. Even if you have a dog or a cat, I know that makes me feel better spending with my cat.
She's a cat person, I'm a dog person, but...
I honestly love all pets. I just happen to have a cat.
Oh, that's true, because you said you want a dog.
Yeah. So, I mean, I have a cat, and she just makes me really happy.
I think cats are cool, and, like, I wish that, like, cats could be nicer to me. Because I feel like I would like cats, but I'm just...
If you get one as a kid,
a little afraid.
They'll get used to you and all that.
But I feel like they can be traitors.
Someone has been fine with me for years.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's true. But I feel like just anything, I love my dog. I love music. I love makeup. Like, you just have to focus on, like, the things that you love, and not necessarily focus on the things that are bad, because yeah, you also have to, you know, be realistic and like, you know,
Yeah.
obviously that, you know, things are gonna happen and like life's life, but like there's also so many other things that can happen and are happening and will happen that are good, so
Yeah.
you gotta focus on that too.
This is true. So is that it for this?
I think that's it, but we got a lot of more stuff to talk about.
We have so many stories. Oh my god. This is just the start of everything.
Yeah, this was just a little bit of like a, you know,
Just
y'all
a
gotta
teaser,
stop being so
you know?
negative. So, there's
So,
more stuff coming.
with that being said, thanks for watching and join us next Friday for another
Late
episode
night
of
session.
Yes, of our tea time.